Hi, my name is Angel. I'm a mother of 2 sons. I'm a full-time housewife now. Before I became a full-time housewife, I was an event planner. So how I come across this Thermomix? Because there's one day when I browsed through Facebook, and then suddenly one of my friends actually pop up, the image of her cooking using Thermomix. I was like, quite curious about this machine. So I was like, something different from what I have, for now, because I'm using electrical stove. I thought I was in very advanced already, So suddenly this Thermomix come out, I was like, I need to find out more about this. So I decided to call my friends and then go for a demo. So during the demo time, it's really impressed. A simple dish, do it in a very, very fast timing, and then at a very precise temperature and everything. They come out, the food is very delicious, seriously. So I decided to order immediately. And well, it proved me correct. When I have this Thermomix, my sons love it. When I actually cook their favorite, mashed potato, they love it so much. The happiness of a mother is like when you see your sons finish the food you prepare. So that's the most satisfaction part. And then besides that, my in-law is a very good cook. So I don't dare to cook in front of them. So there's one day I decided to use the Thermomix to just cook their favorite dish, their favorite dessert, the almond paste. So when they tried it, I still can remember their first expressions till now. They say it's very, very, very nice. I was like so happy at that moment, and then my confidence levels of cooking suddenly just go up like that. I was so happy with this. And one thing I like about this Thermomix, like they've controlled the timing and temperature very, very well. So every dish when I come out is very precise. And I would definitely recommend this for my sister. You know why? Because her cooking actually not really good. So I hope she can actually same like me. When she owns the Thermomix, she can get compliments from the friends and family too.